this is like not fair to anybody. It's not even about Halloween. It's like, what is this? This is insane. This is Staten Island, New York City right now at 2:30 on October 30th, 2:30 p.m. Picking up John there from school right now, and it's beyond pouring. It's like I can't even explain what this is.
I don't think our house is gonna get flooded though.
We're getting flooded here. Look at this. The street flooded? Yep.
Yeah, look, the whole sidewalk.
They're getting flooded. Flooding right here.
I just hope we don't get it flooded. Oh, look at the saw back before we did.
Can't even see it. I'm recording right now. So this is the day before Halloween, Hallows Eve. This is what we look like. Today's Hallows Eve. Today's Halloween Eve. Hallows Eve. Hallows Eve is the day before Halloween. Halloween is Halloween. Oh really? I didn't know that. I thought of today. Let's see. Let's assess the damage. Yeah, this is the damage of Monster Core. Oh, car was been down. Yeah, let's look at the damage here.
Horseman's down.
Well, I put them down. I had no choice. They would have been blown down if I didn't.
Baphomet's down. He's getting
put him
flooded.
down. No, he actually got blown.
He's getting
down.
flooded. Baphomet's getting flooded.
So we have to put him in Karen's garage. Did a tree fall down yet? Because there's trees and stuff everywhere. There's Babe. Oh, what is that?
Someone's bag is off.
Just a bag, right?
Someone's bag. Oh, look at that.
What happened now?
Oh, it's about to go into the sewer. There goes the coffin. The coffin's.
Oh, the coffin's destroyed.
Coffin's destroyed.
Good thing we put it out before in the rain. That was my mistake.
Emmeline's holding up. Oh, Cthulhu.
Yep, Cthulhu got smashed.
Cthulhu.
And he was pinned to the wall too. I don't understand what happened. Bill's holding